Hi everyone. So ဒီနေ့ video က San Francisco Bay Area မှာ Chiropractic လုပ်တဲ့ video ပေါ့နော် introduction video မှာပြောရဲ vlog ပေါ့နော် so video လေးကိုတူတူကြည့်လိုက်အောင် and ဘောလုံးလေးကိုနည်းနည်းလေးချဲ့ပြီးတော့ကြည့်ပေးပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါမှသူ crack လုပ်တဲ့အချိန်မှာထွက်မဲ့အတန်တွေကိုကြားရမှာပေါ့နော် so follow ကိုနည်းနည်းချဲ့ပြီးကြည့်ရင်တော့ပိုကောင်းတယ်ပေါ့နော် let's go
Fall back. Good. Yeah, fucking good. Okay, cross your arms. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Have a seat, okay? Have a seat. I can face it now. Yeah, sit down here. Yes, you see the shoulders running forward. Bring this back. Relax your shoulders. There we go. Good. Sitting this side. Drop. There you go. Good. Relax your head, okay? Rotate. Drop the ears down to your knees. Right in here. Drop. Good. Your hair. Drop your head. Drop. Drop. Oh, that's fine. You're good. Let's go face down. Yep. Just relax right here, okay? Start to rotate. Drop shoulders down. There we go. See the this side, drop. There we go. Good. Relax here, okay? Let it go. Let it go. Good. See the this side. There we go. Ooh. Get really deep in there. Turn your side, please. Facing me, okay? Turn facing this way. This way. Yeah, your whole body. Your whole body. There we go. Perfect. Maybe bend this top knee. A little closer. Just like this, okay? Okay, shoulders. There we go. Shoulders. Ooh. We're not set up, buddy. Yeah, face the other way. Good. See on this side, okay? Come a little close towards the edge. Come a little close towards the edge. There we go. Right here. Good. Relax this arm. Shoulder. See? I can relax. I know. Going back. Just go down towards the feet, okay? Let's go down all the way down towards the feet. Come down more, all your whole body. There we go, more. Right there, go on your back. Perfect. And maybe cross your arms right behind yourself. Bend your knees right here. Bend your knees. Put on the table, there we go. In fact, come down a little more, come down a little more. There we go, here we go. Relax right here. Drop. There we go, drop. Let's see. Good. Good. Yeah. That's on the next though. It's a lot. You good? Alright, see you need that one. That's gonna make it taller, okay? Cover yours. No, let's just cover yours. Yeah. Relax the shoulders, okay? Ooh. Something this side. This is to bring your shoulders back so you're standing nice and tall, okay? Yeah. So right now your shoulders are stuck forward. Yeah. Relax here. Relax my hand. Your hands really tight in there, okay? So let the muscle go. Gotta let everything go, okay? There we go. See? Woo. Yep. Same thing on this side. There you go. There we go. That's what we want. Yeah. Yeah. Relax here. Halfway there. We're halfway there. We're almost done. Good. Relax here. Relax here. There we go. Bend your knees. Good. Good. Same thing this side. There we go. Wow. Jeez. And you. Good here. Good. Same thing here. Good. Come down a little bit towards your feet. Lock your knees in at the edge of the table, okay? There you go. Lock your knees like this. Yep. Don't do the Y strap, okay?
oh my god I made that shit
You ready? Let's do it. Just lock it in. Just relax. There we go. Just make it. Yeah. Lift your head up and down. Just relax right there. Lock your knees in. Just focus on your breathing. Okay. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe in and out. Good. One more time. Out. Good, let it go. That's it. Good. Oh. Yeah, let's relax right there. Good job. Let's go face down. We're almost done. Finish line now. Let's go face down whenever you're ready. See, now after beating you up, we're gonna soothe you down with some massage, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Oh my god, I'm sweating.
Yep. That's a good sign. That means your body's revving up. Metabolism's running. That's a good sign. Good, relax right here. See, after the adjustment, we want to reset the muscle memories, okay? So by doing that, we do some deep tissue, okay? Because if we don't reset these muscle memories, it's just gonna pull all the joints and the bones and joints back to where it was before the adjustment. We don't want that.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna, if we want the adjustment to hold longer, we need to do this, okay?
Yeah.
This way it lasts longer. Feel a lot better. Yeah, tight muscles. But I do know one thing for sure, you're gonna feel amazing today. You can sleep like a baby tonight, watch. Just getting rid of all this tension in these areas. These are the most common areas that causes like low back pain. The QLs, spinous spinae, erector spinae here, the glutes, knee up here, everything here. You're doing pretty well for your first time, man.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah, doing very well. Oh man, you see the reactions for the first timers.
Yeah.
They're tense, they're nervous, they're like, they're laughing, they're crying, they're yelling. All the emotions from different different perspectives, man, different emotions.
Cause I've been watching the video, you know.
Oh yeah.
I expect this.
No, you do very well. So. It's all about the results. You're gonna feel like that. It's gonna feel amazing today. So we're running a promotion right now. It's only $29 for the first visit. Okay, so if you know your friends, family, co-workers, whoever you feel like could benefit from this, definitely send them our way. Can't beat it for the first visit because this the value is around $90 in total already. So give them around $29. Can't beat it. One of the best deal around. Relax your arms to the side. There we go. See, there's all the, like I said, after beating up your neck, we want to smooth it down. I'd rather hurt you a little bit and have you moving than to have you stuck and not moving. You see what I'm saying? So we want to get in there and loosen you up.
Good muscle.
Yeah. So you're a YouTuber? YouTube?
No, YouTube perfect.
I post this actually. Oh yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah, chiropractic office, we always welcome you guys. Anybody who wants to video record, feel free. See, little knots in there.
I think my back hurt because I stand straight for like 4 hours and I walk.
Oh, okay. What do you do?
I work at
Yeah.
coffee shop and sushi.
Oh, just love standing, huh?
Yeah, all this and
Yep, this will help. Next time you go to a job or you do your workout or go to your workplace, it's gonna feel a lot different.
yeah.
Feel more balance. Okay, feel a lot more balance and lighter on your feet too because you're balanced. You'll see, and you'll be standing taller. Lots of benefits. And like I said, tonight you can sleep like a baby because your body's totally relaxed. You might be a little sore, but don't worry about it, okay? For new patients, it's usually a little soreness. It's kind of like when you haven't gone to work out for a while and you go decide to work out. Just that soreness is similar to that only. But other than that, the benefit's going to be a lot better. Stand up, move around, and see how the body feels. Just kind of like move around there. Yeah, you see that pull-up bar right there? Go ahead and grab it and stretch. Stretch on it. Grab it and stretch.
So ဒီဗီဒီယိုကတော့ San Francisco Bay Area မှာရှိတဲ့ Belmont ဆိုတဲ့မြို့ကတာဝိုဆိုတဲ့ chiropractor ရှိကိုသွားထားတဲ့ဗီဒီယိုပေါ့နော် so သူက new camera တိုင်းကို$29ပဲတောင်းတယ်နောက်ခေါက်တကြမှာ normal price ပေါ့နော် normal price 80-90သူရဲ့ price တွေကိုလည်းဗီဒီယိုနောက်ဆုံးမှာတော့ပြပေးထားမယ် so if you live in like in Bay Area you definitely gotta check it out ပြီးရင်နောက်တစ်ခေါက်ကြာရင်ကျွန်တော် LA ဘက်မှာရှိတဲ့ Orange County ဘက်မှာရှိတဲ့chiropractor ရှိကိုသွားမယ်ပေါ့နော်သူ YouTube ပေါ်မှာလည်းသူဗီဒီယိုတွေတော်တော်များများရှိရပါတော့အဲကြောင့်သူရှိသွားမယ်အဲကြရင်လည်းတစ်ခေါက်ပြန်တွေ့ပါဦးမယ် Bye guys take care everyone see ya